Corrective action and preventive action are key elements of any operation management system. They have a very special place in GMP and continuous improvement. Despite their widespread use, there is often confusion in the proper usage of the terms. This learning nugget will try to demystify that for you.
ISO 9000-2005 is the only standard which clearly defines the three key terms related to CAPA management. Correction, action to eliminate a detected nonconformity. The key words here are, eliminate nonconformity. Corrective action, action to eliminate the cause of a detected nonconformity. The key aspect is elimination of cause of nonconformity. Preventive action, action to eliminate the cause of a potential nonconformity. The point to note is the word potential. Nonconformity is defined as non-fulfillment of a specified requirement. These can be a process, specification, or even improper documentation. Let's get into the details to understand each of these terms.
A correction is when you fix the thing that went wrong, that is fixing the nonconformity, or to contain the problem from getting bigger. In simple terms, it can be considered as damage control. Correction addresses the short-term need and requires immediate attention. A correction can be made along with a corrective action. Isolated incident with low risk to business and end user, correction of the situation may be adequate and root cause identification may not be needed.
A corrective action deals with a nonconformity that has occurred. In other words, there are real defects that exist and action must be taken to stop them from ever happening again in the future. The objective of corrective action is to prevent recurrence and thus to provide a long-term or permanent fix to the problem. We frequently make the mistake of calling corrective action a preventive action, or considering a correction a corrective action. For instance, getting a broken machine working again with spare parts is a correction that fails to address the root cause. Often the holistic action taken to prevent recurrence is called preventive action, but this is not correct since it is based on solving a problem that has already happened.
A preventive action, unlike corrective action, has no relation to an actual nonconformity. ISO 9001-2008 states a preventive action's function is to prevent the occurrence of potential nonconformities. This means nothing bad actually happened. Since potential defects are defects that could happen, these can be also described as risks.
The CAPA concept is also integral to the current good manufacturing practices, an approach advocated by the FDA. CAPA may be applied to a variety of aspects of product development, such as design, production, product testing, and post-market use. Ratio of corrective to preventive action provides insights on the maturity of quality management system of any organization. A young functional QMS would normally have many more CAs than PAs. On an annual basis, a company may record only few preventive action activities, while the corrective action may be significantly higher. Later, as the quality system matures, one would see higher preventive actions than corrective actions.
Let's put our knowledge to use. Classify the action as correction, corrective action, or preventive action. Hope you understood the concepts well and got the right answers.